Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to air guns or just unsure how to keep yours in good shape, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to clean your air gun step by step. Safely, correctly, and without any special tools. Let's get started. Why cleaning your air gun matters. Cleaning your air gun is essential for performance and accuracy. A well-maintained air gun shoots more consistently, lasts longer, and is less likely to jam or leak. If you're using pellets or BBS regularly, dirt, lead residue, and moisture can build up inside your barrel and moving parts. That's why it's a good habit to clean your air gun after every few uses, or at least once a month if it's in storage. Safety first. Before you do anything, safety comes first. Make sure the air gun is not loaded. Remove any CO2 cartridge or disconnect the pump. Keep the muzzle pointed in a safe direction at all times. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from springs or debris. Never skip this step. Safety is non-negotiable. Basic tools you'll need. You don't need a huge kit to clean your air gun. Here's what you'll want: soft cleaning cloth or microfiber rag, cotton swabs or pipe cleaners, airgun safe oil or silicone lubricant, a cleaning rod or pull-through bore cleaner. Optional, a small screwdriver if you need to access the internals. Avoid petroleum-based oils. They can damage seals and O-rings in most air guns. Cleaning the barrel. Start with the barrel. Insert a clean cloth patch or bore snake from the breech side if possible. This prevents debris from being pushed deeper. Gently run the cleaner through the barrel. Repeat with fresh patches until they come out clean. Do not use metal brushes unless the manufacturer says it's okay. They can scratch the barrel. Cleaning the external parts. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the body of the gun. If there's any stuck dirt or fingerprints, a slightly damp cloth will do the trick. Dry it right away to avoid rust. Cotton swabs can help clean tight corners around the trigger, sights, and bolt. Lubrication points. Now apply a drop or two of silicone oil to the moving parts, trigger mechanism, bolt or cocking lever. CO2 seal if applicable. Don't overdo it. Too much oil attracts dust. Just a light coat will keep things running smoothly. Final check and storage tips. Once everything's clean and dry, do a quick visual check. Make sure everything's back in place. If you had to disassemble anything, double-check that screws are tight. But don't over-tighten. Store your air gun in a dry place, away from moisture and sunlight. If you're putting it away for a while, leave it unloaded and remove the CO2. And that's it. Your air gun is clean and ready to go. If you found this beginner's guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.